Hi, I'm Breathe the Plant Lady. Today I am going to transition the bed behind me from warm season to cool season. So stay tuned to see exactly how I take all of my summer plantings, harvest what's available, and get it replanted with Romanesco broccoli, various varieties of cauliflower, and direct seeding with beautiful spring flowering plants. Now that I have the bed clear of all of the summer annuals, I can get started planting my cool season vegetables and seeding my spring flowering plants. The final step is to direct sow some carrots, some poppies, and some larkspur into the open spaces towards the back of this bed so that I'll have good ground plane coverage that'll smother any winter weeds and provide a beautiful flowering scene in April and May. I look forward to giving you updates on exactly how this garden comes together through the cool season. So be sure to subscribe to Breathe the Plant Lady for regular updates. Happy gardening!